From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Kimchi, a staple in Korean cuisine, has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. Its origins are closely tied to the agricultural and food preservation practices of ancient Korea. Early forms of kimchi likely began during the Three Kingdoms period before 57 BCE Goguryeo, Baekju, and Silla, or even earlier. Initially, vegetables like radishes and cucumbers were simply salted and stored for preservation. The earliest kimchi was likely non-spicy, as chili peppers were not yet introduced to Korea. In the Three Kingdoms to Goryeo period, 57 BCE, 1392 CE, introduction of fermentation came about in Korea. Koreans began fermenting vegetables with garlic, ginger, and fermented seafood jetgal to enhance flavor and preservation. Baechu kimchi Napa cabbage kimchi started appearing, but it was still without chili peppers. Buddhism influenced dietary habits, leading to more vegetarian versions of kimchi. Joseon Dynasty, 1392 to 1897, chili peppers was introduced to Korea, likely through trade with the Portuguese or Japanese invasions. By the 17th, 18th centuries, red pepper flakes Gochugaru became a key ingredient, giving kimchi its signature spicy and red color. Kimchi varieties expanded, with regional differences emerging based on local ingredients. For example, Mol kimchi in the North, Gokdugi in the central regions. After the Korean War 1950 to 1953, South Korea industrialized, and kimchi production became more standardized. The recognized health benefits are probiotics, vitamins, and antioxidants. Kimchi became a global food, recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity in the year 2013.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.